Learning how to communicate effectively is an essential skill, not just as a programmer, but in every aspect of life. It's a skill that gets better with time, and the best way to start is by being direct with your communication. When you reach out to someone via chat, over social media, or at work, don't just message them hello or hi. State your reason for messaging in your initial message. Instead of saying hi, then the person says hello, then you say how are you, then the person says I'm good, then you ask your question. Just add the inquiry in the initial message. Yes, you are trying to be courteous and friendly, but you can still do that and get to the point a lot faster by prefacing your message with the pleasantries you see fit. You wouldn't send an email to someone with just hello or a hi. You would include your inquiry along with your pleasantries. I recognize that cultural influence plays a role here. Being that direct may be seen as coming off too strong in some cultures. In general, people you don't know are more likely to respond to your message and respond faster if you include your inquiry in the initial message. This is especially true for social media. Treat that initial message like you would an email. Google no hello to learn more. Follow Umacols for more coding tips like this.